Hi, my name is Billy Lapointe. I'm working with Permitech for 23 years. I'm here to present you the pick and sort system, our new robotic system to sort nuts. First, on all our system, we're going to have a kind of vibratory system that will feed our machine constantly. So we'll have an even flow of product on our rollers. The idea to have rollers is to be able to flip the nuts. And on the first part of the machine, it's a section where the nuts fall and the rolls are rotating on themselves. That makes the nuts to be aligned between the rollers, so they're all straight and laying down. They're not touching each other. In fact, the conveyor is always rolling. It's what brings the product under the camera. And the roll are rotating on themselves. So it's what makes the nuts turn, but not going forward. We have two lights because there's two cameras that are looking on the product. Between the two cameras, there is a kind of stopping device that makes the roller turn on themselves, and the nut's going to flip to see the both sides of the nut to have a very good quality of, let's see, picture. The system will kind of learn how to, which one is good and bad by looking at the thousands of pictures we teach to the system. Those components will send the, let's say, the answer to the robot, and the robot will pick you will see on the live video, but the robot will pick exactly the nut you need and will let the good one on the belt. We have two M-Run robots. Those robots are very accurate and also almost maintenance-free. That gives you the opportunity to sort any kind of defect. You can sort the doubles from the chip and scratch. You can send the other defect and the serious defect on another bin. On the picture it's easy to see the doubles, so we are able to put the doubles on a different file and then train our AI to recognize them. Leaving on the conveyor the good product and removing only the bad product. I want to mention also that our system will be able to give you reports that will help you to know before the end of the shift or before the quality control, to know what grade you did reach with the system. So live, you can do adjustment to remove more doubles, to remove more chip and scratch, more broken. So all that will help you to reach the grade you want to offer to your customer. One important feature of that machine is that everything is inside. So you don't have electrical panel on the wall or anything that will, let's say, block the view on your factory. Everything is under the machine. So if we want to see the electrical panel, we just have to open those panel and you see the robot controller. The computer is also there, the PLC, everything that controls the machine is there. So if you put that on the floor, the morning you receive the machine, you'll be able to run it the same day. There's no wiring to do, no mechanical to assemble, everything is there. So it's a very fast setup. Another key feature is the reject bin we have. Like I said before, we have between 3 to 4 reject bin available. This version is a kind of manual rejection system. So you will have to empty it yourself, going through all the machine and remove the defect. We can also have a connection port that you will be able to put a vacuum on it to suck the defect and send it to your, let's say, to a location where you can pick it. The safety feature also is interesting on that machine. Like you see, we have access to the robot at any time to, let's say, verify the suction cup, the quality. If there is anything that block the reject bin, safety light curtain that prevent people from touching a live robot. As soon as you cross the light curtain, you see it just turn red. So this sends the signal to the robot to stop. Our HMI, it's a standard developed through Permitech that give access to, let's say, the important feature for the operation. So on the main screen, you will have access to the statistics and also the fault display. So if you have any fault, like right now, we are in e-stop mode. You'll see also statistics. So this gives you how much foreign material, animal consumption, or human consumption reject that you can we detect with the AI and what you pick with the robot. So you will be able to see if you miss some pick. Let's say if you want to wash the rollers, or if you have a version with the belt, you will be able to make the motor running just by clicking on the motor and pressing start. So it's the jog button or the start button. I just mentioned that you can have also a belt on that machine instead of rollers, because if you produce nuts like pecan or walnut, we may not be able to use a roller conveyor because they won't, let's say, do a flip, a proper flip on the roller. So we use system with a belt to bring the pecan under the camera, and we will put two belt conveyor, one after the other one, where the flip will be done by the chute between the conveyors. We are very glad to present you that prototype. Production units are coming. If you have any more questions, do not hesitate to contact your sales representative. Thank you for watching.
Hello, my name is Sebastian Kramley. I'm product coordinator at Premitech for 13 years now. Today we are in the test hall of Premitech. That's here that the magic happen here. We develop new stuff, new product. We are doing some test trial. So that's here our ground play to develop new stuff. So that you can probably you will hear some noise during the presentation. Don't be afraid, it's someone who is working on something. So today I will present you the PTW. We can walk up to there. The PTW has been developed in 2015. This machine has been designed for manipulate porous polyoven bags. So there are some features on it that help the machine to manipulate those bags that can be sometimes more complicated because of the quality, and sometimes they are stuck together and stuff like that. So the machine is designed to manipulate those bags. So can have a general look at the machine. So this machine has been specially designed for trade show. So there are some special features on it. All the doors and the window, it's the new concept of doors and window that we want to apply on our future bagger. That's the first time we try it. So that's the kind of stuff that we have done for this machine for the show. We also, I will show you later, we also done some stuff with 3D printing. We have pushed the limit of the 3D printing in this machine. And another thing, this machine has gone through industrial process design. So all the frames, everything have straight line, very clean, very nice. And also we have some stuff like our signature leg, our blue legs, that will be implemented with the times on the new PT design to have a signature mark. So we have seen there that was the bag magazine. There's two different configurations possible for this machine. So you can have it that way or mirror to that on the other side. So it can fit all the layout. So just let us know the space we have, and we will arrange stuff to make it work in your layout, even if it's closed space or whatever. We have a team able to work on that easily. And the bag magazine is there. We place the operator will place the bag there. Then the bag will move to the pickup station. There's a few special things that we do to manipulate a porous bag. We hold the back of the bag while unstacking the first bag on the top. We have a sensor that will detect if we have picked two bags, so it avoids messing with product on the ground. We also have a pneumatic detection on the spout to detect if the bag is placed properly or not. And all those bags that can be stuck together, glued together or stuff like that are because of the low quality of this bag sometimes. They are managed by the machine. The bags are reject and it will not stop the machine, so that's really a big point for this machine. It's really an efficient machine that will work hours and hours, and it will not stop even if you have some issue with the bagpipe. I told you about the 3D printing. We can see it, the yellow parts on the bag placer and on the robot tooling. Like I said, this is a concept for the show. It looks a little bit like a spaceship part. But we want to push this new technology the most as we can to see what we can get from that. So we have selected these two modules and we have changed every metal part to plastic part. It's only for the show, but that's helped us to push the limit of the new design and technology. Here you can see the control panel. I just want to say a word on the power panel. We've got two panels, one for the control and one for the power. So that makes it really easy for maintenance to troubleshoot on the control panel without having to wear arc flash equipment and stuff like that. So it's really convenient to do the maintenance. Here we have our pneumatic. Everything is well hidden, so the machine looks very nice. Behind the panel here, you have your lockout point for the pneumatics. You also have door here to give you access for the maintenance for the robot. It's really a nice machine to work on it. If we came to the exit of the bagger, since this machine has been designed for the show, we don't have any exit conveyor on it, but normally you will have your exit conveyor here, and we have our upper exit belt. This is our standard concept that we use on many bagger. So you can put here whatever is your closing system. It could be sewing machine, hot air sealer, pinch bag closer. We will fit whatever is your closing system. We can also fit tagger and stuff like that. It's really up to you. You bring what you need and we will do what we had to do to make it work. So that's it. I've made the turn of the machine. So now I will make it work and you will see the bagger manipulate some bag. So that concludes our presentation of PTW bagger. This machine can run up to 20 bags per minute, running polywoven, porous bag, polywoven bag, plastic bag, paper bag, all kind of bag will work pretty good in this machine. It's designed to run a granular product, soybean, rice, almond, everything could run in this machine if it's granular. So if you need more information, you're interested to buy one of these machines, you can call our sales representative or visit our website. It will be our pleasure to help you with your future bagging equipment. Thank you.